Okay, we've come to everyone's favorite part of the show. It's actually time to try out the food that Captain Ace can serve to all their clients. Wow. Okay, so right here with me, we have Chef Tatang, and of course, we have Vera. She is the marketing and promotions manager of Captain Ace, and we have here the restaurant manager, Miss Rhoda. Wow. Okay, so Miss Rhoda, please tell us what people can expect from Captain Ace.
Captain Ace Seafood Grill is a Filipino-inspired grill restaurant that serves Boodle Fight, and we are the first restaurant that serves Boodle Fight here in Cebu.
Okay, so what exactly is a Boodle Fight?
Well, a Boodle Fight, it's a Philippine Military Academy jargon for eating, combat, or attack the food.
Okay.
So it's a Philippine military eating tradition wherein members of the military, originally practiced by Philippine Military Academy cadets or PMA cadets, where members of the military, regardless of rank, no pretensions whatsoever, they gather around long tables where food, a jumble of food is served, spread over banana leaves or old newspapers and eaten with bare hands.
Oh wow, so this is exactly what we have here in front of us.
Yes.
So Chef, before we actually try the Boodle Fight, which is very interesting, I mean, as you can see, like there's an assortment of different kinds of Filipino food right here on the table. But Chef, what is the specialty really of Captain Ace Restaurant?
This one, the Boodle Fight is a native, like fish, grilled fish,
Unsang
chicken.
niatong isda, Chef?
That is tilapia.
Oh,
Tilapia,
one of my
grilled
favorite.
tilapia with soy marinade with honey.
Okay, all right.
And also this is chicken. This is chicken barbecue. Or this is grilled squid. Also marinated with soy and honey and herbs marination.
Wow.
Also this is grilled prawn. Oban lumpia Shanghai. It means
Very Filipino.
very Filipino. It's only in Captain E. Our lumpia Shanghai is made from Captain E.
Ikaw dyan yung ano siya?
Yes.
Okay, so
we
it's a
are not buy
special-
from supermarket. We are make here in Captain E.
Okay, pero this one, Chef, has pansit, no? Na siya pansit.
This is pancit.
Because?
This is a Boodle Fight birthday. Boodle Fight.
All right, so we have different kinds of Boodle Fight.
Yes,
so this
yes.
one here with the pancit
This is
is the birthday one.
This is the birthday one because every birthday, you think birthday, there is a pancit.
Of course, for long life.
We made a special Boodle Fight, birthday Boodle Fight.
Okay. So natin mga lain, we also have
Also.
the Sinugba Festival, which we
Yes,
have
yes.
here. So we have two